here did I do this before? Go. Damn, this shit's so heavy, bro. Shit, wait, hold on. No, it's stuck on my hip. The seat. Okay. We're professionals now. Your bag? It's not blue though. It's so riced out though.
Doesn't happen either. I want to keep my cards.
Boom.
It's really big.
Many, many big. Many men. You can rent a bike, Pancake. Yeah, if it's $1. How long is the trail?
Oh, I have
What the hell? Yeah. Hey Siri, take a picture.
the gimbal. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Make a TikTok right now. Are you wearing it?
No. Annoying. I'll get a new one. New one.
It's a service. Wait, let me get that. What?
Sounds so fun.
Stop overpaying for Bitcoin. On exchange, pay for electricity and mine your own. The way Satoshi envisioned. Text me, BTC. Like the advertisement? Holy. It sounds like it's surround sound. Oh. It's cold. So you have to pay somebody to maintain those bikes? Bike maintenance?
Oh yeah?
So this is just a regular bike.
Oh, I see.
Right? You think I could e-bike all the way here?
From home?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Why were you going through the neighborhood to come here? Near the, the tennis court?
Yeah. I want to e-bike all the way to Maple Leaf. Pelican.
Wow, I can't tell.
Can't tell? Oof. Oof. Stinky. You can't change gears? Go to the lower gear.
Use it in the pod.
Huh?
You got a video with your phone or something?
No, I just took a picture. Snapchat. Oh my god. Probably. Pipsqueak. A what? Oh. Yeah. Honestly, I could bike anywhere, especially with the e-bike. It's just the matter of battery charge. Oh my god, almost crashed. Jeez. No, on the floor.
Now we can't see nothing. It's still camera.
Oh yeah.
Is it down?
No, it's still. Oh, sorry. Watch out.
Sí, hoy no sé por cuántos pasos hicimos.
Mientras no haga calor.
¿Crees que aquí no?
3, 2, 40 roll, 40 roll. 3, 2, 1. Gap.
You hear that?
Is the bike, the brakes, or what? What is that? Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah.
It's a door opening. What?
Scary.
See, that's why people make up scary stories because they hear stuff like that.
One time I swear I was playing pickleball at Chalk Farm near the bridge, and I swear I was hearing a kitten. I wanted to go look, but I thought it was just like weird noises.
That's how much this bike ride's gonna cost.
$8, $10, $5. He'll be more surprised.
That's where I'm at right now. Because then you know, I don't want to retire then. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it that.
Spamming.
Oh,
Is my light helping you see? Oh my god, my fingers are so cold. That was a good spot though. Literally when I saw it, I'm like, damn, that's a good smoke spot. And there's two mans just smoking. Of course.
how do you do this?
Wait. Let me fix. Is it done? Don't look like it. This bike is so light.
How do they lock it? Put it back now.
Don't know.
Done writing. Align the bike. Firmly push.
Ah, there we go.
How much you got charged?
How much? $50? Oh,
What are you talking about?
damn! I got about a
Please.
$36.
Where?
I'm joking. $3.
Pissing me off.
$3.64. Right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it says $3.64 there. So, $30?